What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to give you a small update on the welding skid base model. After going over some prices with different shipping companies and freight services and figuring out the best way to ship it, I have to change the price of the base model. This is only for the shipping. So for those who buy it from me that I have to ship it to, it's going to be $1,000 for me to get it shipped to you completely. So that's with the shipment plus the buying of the base model. Now, if you pick it up from my location personally and get it from the location, it'll just be $500. So you save tremendously from buying it that way. I can give you a better discount. But in order for me to ship it to different people across the U.S. and different areas, the base model gonna have to be $1,000, and that's gonna be including the shipping fees and taxes. So that's what a small update I wanted to give you. In the deluxe frame, which this one is, it probably just be a couple more dollars because of the shipping, because it is a little bit heavier than the base model frame. But the base model frame is going to have to be changed to $1,000 just for the shipping fees. So still, once you look around and you look online to try to find a welding skid frame, the cheapest you're going to find, just a base frame, the cheapest you're going to find is going to be around 25 to 2600 is what I have seen. I seen one that was around $2,000 before tax, and then after tax it was still around close to 26, 25. So I'm still trying to give it the best deal possible. I want you to save money, be able to make money. So, but in order for me to get this, ship this out to you all over the U.S., I'm gonna have to charge $1,000 for the base model frame, and the deluxe frame is probably gonna be $1,500 instead of the $1,000 due to the shipping costs. But if you come to our locations, which I'm about to have one hopefully here soon in Oklahoma, and I'm gonna have a location in Texas. So for my people that's in Texas, you can probably travel to come in to the location where I have them, or where they're going to be at in Oklahoma City or Tulsa. So just let me know, man. I appreciate for those who checking in with me. I just want to give you a small update on what's going on. I'm outside the bank now to make a couple moves. I just sold that one that I had. And like I say, the shipping situation is what's going to cause us a little issue, because it's going to have to be freight. And most of the freight shipping places, they just charge. It's just what it is. So just want to give you a small update. Hog on.